Very cool, very amazing.
Maybe we want to buy one to make Chinese food.
Besides chatting with robots, can the AI also auto-recognize ingredients? Moreover, it can perform different cooking processes for various ingredients, like bitter gourd and beef. After mixing the ingredients with seasonings, you just put them in. The system identifies bitter gourd stir-fried with beef and adjusts temperature and time for each ingredient. I usually cook bitter gourd and beef separately. Now combining them tastes good, and the bitter gourd isn't too bitter.
And the beef isn't too tough.
We use a large cooking model to drive intelligent cooking. During the user's usage, the user's data and feedback will be continuously learned and improved upon. It will act like your personal family chef. The more you use it, the better it gets.
Tastier with use.
Many friends at the scene brought their own cooking needs. They hope this square-shaped personal chef can help prepare 3 meals a day.
Machines make it easier and healthier. No more smelling fumes. It's really simple.
Definitely, it's really a machine that makes cooking easier. You can put milk and eggs together and it blends them. They can cook together.
I think this is very rare. For example, in the morning, I just let it cook. While I get up, I can do my makeup.
We have built-in sensors inside which can detect whether you put in a large or small amount. It can automatically match the cooking time. For example, 1 corn cob, big corn versus small corn. Big corn may take 5 minutes. Small corn may take 4 minutes. You just need to press one button to start. As a new type of kitchen appliance in the AI era, ManChef AI Shift Intelligent Kitchen System simulates human chefs to cook meals. Everyone can have a personal chef, right? This event is themed Perfect Taste, Proper Food.
It aims to let everyone experience the joy of intelligent cooking at the same time.
It also hopes to deeply understand the genuine feedback and needs of interested neighbors. You can follow ManChef Technologies' WeChat public account
For ongoing updates.